what do you think about this?
I think that is an awesome set that you have there. And I like the case a lot because you can take it everywhere and you make sure that it's always in good shape.
Yeah, it comes with a real cool case.
Yeah.
So let's begin now. How we doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and today we got this cool lighting from GVM. This is a Pero 2. So let's change camera. Let's see what we get inside. So next time you're gonna buy this, you know what you get. Now remember, all that information and everything else, and if you want to get one of these right now, always the link will be right below this video. So, well, first I like the case. So if you're gonna be travel, if you're gonna be doing some type of blogging, or you need to have your studio portable, I mean,
on the go.
On the go. This is perfect. Carry everything here, put the cameras, and you perfect. You can begin recording or for live streaming.
So this is an RGB LED video lighting kit. It has app control, 252 LED beads of warm and cold color, and 252 pieces of red, green, and blue RGB lamps.
Yes.
It creates an adjustable color light for different types of shots.
So let me show you first. So we get two bags. So you got the tripod here. You know how many feet the tripod is about?
How many feet?
Yes. So we get the tripod right over here. Let's put it this back. Oh, let's leave it one out so we can show you. We built one. So the second one is exactly the same. We leave that into the side. Yeah, the cover is everything nice and built. So a nice cover, the light. So we gotta set to 2 lighting instructions, and like always, the manual. But we're gonna take 1 light only. Just put the same so you guys can see this. Okay, and now in this box here, we have the power supply and the power cord. So we get 2 power supplies in this box. Now the power supply is good for 100 volt to 240. We're gonna plug it in a while, so you guys can see what the light looks like. Now it comes with the barn doors. Right, nice. So now you can set, you know, the type of lighting. If you need to close down more or only one, you can remove the filter. I guess you can replace the filter. It comes with only one, but in case you can remove the filter if you want, and you just leave the filter right there. Let's close this for a second. And right on the side, we can put the batteries, right? So it's a 7.2 volts batteries. So it has 2. And the switch, we have the battery mode, off, and power. 50 volt coming in. We can do the brightness, so let's turn it on. So right over here, we get the 50% and 3200 Kelvin. So we're gonna change the brightness. So that's 100%. So let me show you guys. Oh, so we gotta go this way.
Just like the sun.
Yeah, like the sun. Yes. And now, yeah, that's off. That's 10%, and we can go all the way to 100%. Now, is that's 32, but we can go and change it. So I'm gonna press here. Oh yes, that we can change the color. So like Nidia said there, RGB, we got a purple color, so we can change. This is pretty cool to do a lot of effects. You can change the color. We're gonna press one more time. That's the saturation color. And this we can do the Kelvin now, and that's the white color. It goes all the way to 56K. Now if I look that into the side, here. Let me get this closer. All right, right there. So what I was doing is here, you press here, and see, you can change the hue, you can change saturation, color, see, you can change, and then from here, you just go and change it. If you want, that's RGB, see, 100%, that's 56 Kelvin, that will be white and all the way warm. And then from here, we can activate from the application. That's a master. You activate the Wi-Fi, so you have to download the application and go into application. So you can control now both lights, the pair through the application. Put it back over there. And that's normally my light. That's what we use in the studio. It's 56K. That's pretty white. So I like it. I mean, it's real small. It gives you a lot of light. I mean, we already have a lot of light in the studio. And the nice thing, let me see this one. So let's open all the way. And it's light too. Yeah, about 6 feet. Yep, a little more than 6 feet, yeah. We'll remove this. Yes, and this goes 6 feet. What do you think, guys? So let me
I like it a lot.
Yes, let me try.
And it's very light, right?
It's
Lightweight.
very light, yes,
Yeah.
yes. See, I changed the color there. See. Let me activate. That's a saturation.
So basically, this is what you need. This, a camera, and a microphone. If
Yeah, this gives you a nice,
and if you're gonna
nice
take
blue
only pictures,
color. Huh?
this and the camera.
Right. Yes. That's the Y, and I want to activate. Yeah, the RGB is activated. The huge saturation. Yeah. I don't know how to get the red color. I did that before. Oh, there. Let me see. I get that red color now. That's a white color.
Maybe a
Yes.
knob. One of the knobs that you
Yeah, one of the
twist,
knobs
and
there.
then you get green, blue, and red.
Yes. This is 100. This is the 800D RGB. So it's cool if you're going to be doing a lot of effects.
Mm-hmm.
Or if you want to, like I said, I want to put maybe my wallpaper, make it a different color.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, you can go from gray to darker gray, blue.
And then you can put a blue color, red color, depends. It depends on the type of effect you want to do. In our case, everything is white because we want the background to be like an infinity type of effect. That's why we use every the white color. What I like is a small, real light. You can change this and concentrate the light in only one section. All right. So, Menina, to get this.
All you have to do if you want to get part of your studio on the go, plus your microphone and the camera if you need, just click the link below.
Yeah, and I like it. It's a pair, and you can control this with the application. Download the application, you can
Yes,
control the
that's
whole entire
excellent.
light, right?
Yes, correct.